welcome back. I'm here with Celie here once more. So I got this box and I got this bag from Celie. Okay, you know it's Christmas time, they're feeling super festive, so I got two things for the packaging. But before I get into the wig, let's see what they put in this goodie bag. So I got a bonnet, I got a rat tail comb, I got an edge brush and comb, I got some pins. Oh my gosh, they're feeling super festive. I got a headband. Oh wow, I got a pair of lashes. Lord God, Celie, come out. 2 clips. Yes, loving the energy. And I got a pair of the regular wig cap. Okay, so that's everything in this package. So in the box today, I'm guessing we just got the wig in here. Oh, see this booklet here, or you know, information card. It's basically showing you about hair care, and it has their social media listed on it. So all that is in the box is the wig, which makes sense. They separated everything. All right, so today we're working with a nice body wave 5x5 lace closure wig. All right, it's a closure wig that we're working with. As you can see, the girlies love a good closure wig. Tie around the place. Honestly, give you like a quicker install. It still looks like a lace front when installed properly, and it's really nice. This one that we have today is a 22-inch body wave, and it's 180% in density, and it is of a natural color. It's very full to the tip. Look at that, super luscious. Love the luster as well. It's very nice and full. So yeah. Oh, and the inside we have a extra elastic band that's added, which helps with more security on the head. 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. So that's really nice and standard. So now that we got a little bit into that, let's go ahead and jump into the installation of this gorgeous closure wig. Let's go. As I said, it's a closure wig, so it's gonna be super easy to install and easy when it got to be. All right, so I'm just gonna do 1 spray right across, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer on cool air to dry it down. And so, and this lace seems super easy to work with. It's, as usual, you guys know, I'll put the details, the specifications, and everything down below in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. So now I'm just gonna dry it down with my blow dryer, so I'm just gonna fast forward this portion. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. So this is how it looks. It looks very melted, very easy to melt down. It was so quick to do that. So as you can see, I did cut off these areas here just for the swoops on the side, and you don't have to do it as usual. I'm just gonna use some gel to lay it down. Such an easy install, super easy. I just do that, and the same thing on the next side, and then I'm gonna do a center part and get it real nice and flat, and I'm gonna use my hot comb to lay the middle as usual, so we can get a really nice flat realistic look. So I'm gonna try to be as straight as possible with my hand, because I don't have the straightest partings at all, but I'm gonna try my best, and I'm gonna try to go back over these curls just to give, you know, make it have that fresh redefined body wave vibe. So the curls, the waves are still in there. It still looks really nice. really nice, but I'm still gonna go through it, like, and give it that nice fluffed bouncy look. So that's what we're gonna get into. Okay, so just so you guys know, I am getting some shedding, a little bit more than I would like. So that's the update as it relates to shedding. I love how, you know, the hair is keeping the form, as I said before, that the waves, they look really good. So I can tell that once this is washed, it will still have that very loose wavy pattern. It won't look as uniform as this, just like any body wave texture. So yeah, but based on how tight they are keeping and they're not falling or anything, you could tell that, yeah, it will keep the curls nicely. So this is how it looks. This is how the hair turned out. Redefined. It looks so good. The movement is beautiful. Love it. Love, love, love it. I'm gonna even put a piece behind my ear like this. Love the way it turned out. It is holding the waves really nicely. If you notice, I didn't pin it up. I kind of just cooled it in my hand as I went along, and it looks really good. So shout out to Celie here. This closure wig looks bomb. It looks real bomb. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to be sure to put the specifications in the description box, as you already know, and the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase this wig if you're interested in getting it. It's the holidays, so you can get it as a gift for someone. I'm always, you know, embracing that. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for checking out today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Every time you hold me, take me higher.